Welcome to the enchanting Venice canals, a labyrinthine network of waterways that wind through this timeless city, defining its character and charm. As you step into a traditional Venetian watercraft, you are about to embark on a journey through the heart and soul of this unique aquatic city. Venice is a city built on water, a marvel of engineering and architecture that has captured the imagination of travelers for centuries. Its canals, large and small, serve as the main arteries of transportation and commerce, connecting every corner of the city. The Grand Canal, the largest and most famous of them all, is the main thoroughfare that winds through the heart of Venice, showcasing the city's grandest palaces, historic buildings, and vibrant culture. As you glide along the Grand Canal, you'll be surrounded by a breathtaking panorama of Venetian architecture. The elegant facades of palaces, each with its own unique story and style, stand as a testament to the opulence and artistry of a bygone era. The Rialto Bridge, an iconic symbol of Venice, arches gracefully over the canal, connecting the bustling markets of San Polo and the historic district of San Marco. Away from the bustling Grand Canal, the smaller canals offer a more intimate and authentic view of Venetian life. The quiet, narrow waterways wind through hidden corners of the city, where laundry hangs outside charming homes and small bridges beckon you to explore further. The gondola, a traditional Venetian rowing boat, is a timeless icon of Venice. Gliding in a gondola along the quiet canals is a quintessential Venetian experience, allowing you to soak in the city's romantic ambience. Venice's canals are not just a mode of transportation, they are a reflection of the city's soul. They are the lifeblood of Venice, where daily activities unfold, from the delivery of goods to the joyful chatter of locals and the laughter of children. Your journey through the Venice canals is a reminder that the unique character of this city is shaped by the water that surrounds it. Venice gondola rides offer a unique experience where romance and history meet. A trip through the canals of this magnificent city will be a memory you will cherish for the rest of your life. Take an unforgettable journey with your gondola when you go to Venice to experience a Venetian fairy tale.